This is Modern Refugee out here picking some blueberries at the blueberry farm. And there's a deer down at the end of this row doing the exact same thing. Hey everybody, back from picking blueberries. Kind of wanted to share a real quick tip with you guys. The trick to freezing blueberries is not to wash them before you freeze them. Just go through your berries, make sure you don't have any bad ones in there, no sticks, leaves, or debris or anything, and just put them directly into your Ziploc bags, seal them up, and then freeze them. What's going to happen then is they're going to freeze individually, and that way if you're making a recipe like blueberry muffins or blueberry pancakes where you only need a cupful of berries, you can just pour those right out of the package and then rinse them off and make sure they're clean before you use them. That way you can use just what you need and you don't have to commit to using the entire package. Now if I was to rinse these berries off right now and then put them in the Ziploc bag and freeze them, they're going to turn into a gigantic frozen glob and you're going to have to use the whole package then when you take them out of the freezer. But I just kind of wanted to share this tip with you guys. That way you can make your berries last a little bit longer and you don't have to waste an entire package if you're just making a real small recipe. But anyway, this is Modern Refugee. I appreciate all my subscribers out there. I hope you guys are getting a little information, a little entertainment from my videos, and you guys have a great day.